Hey guys, it's Derek with the Survivalist. Um, I'm actually going to be going over a little survival kit that I have, um, which happens to be right here. It's actually in a raw waterproof sealed kit. It also does come with like a little belt loop thing so that we can fasten it to you. Um, Actually, I'll open this up and show you guys what I have. Um, One of the things is a wristband. As you see, it's made with some rope, small rope. It also clips on and off, and it also does come with a little whistle, which I'm not going to do right now because we're inside. That's the bracelet, which you can also use the rope for some other stuff too, which I'm not going to take apart right now. Um, Another thing is a little pocket knife. It has different things: corkscrew, file, can opener, scissors right there, along with the actual knife right there. Um, Good little tool to have, especially when you're out camping or um, anything else for that matter. That way, it'll be a little bit easier to cut or do anything else with. Um, Another thing I have is the magnesium rod right here. As you can see, you'll actually hold it here like this. This part right here on top, that's the actual magnesium rod. The rest of it is just a holder for it. Um, in which you can also use this for it. Which you'll see me actually use this a little later on for starting fires and stuff like that, especially this summer. Um, I have a little another little gadget. It's your utensil, which doesn't hurt to have another extra knife. So you got a spoon, a knife, and a fork, along with a can opener on the fork, which is actually kind of nice to have. That way you don't have to worry about eating with your hands or anything like that. Another little thing is a flashlight. Bright little thing, nice to have. Um, it also does double as a little container. You can't really see in it, but the bottom part is hollow, so that way you can actually put um, other stuff in there, like um, stuff for your fire starters, anything like that. Another little nice little tool to have. This is actually a wire saw, where instead of carrying a big heavy saw, you got a nice little wire saw. You can actually put this right in your pocket, take it right out. Usually you wrap it around something and you pull it each way. That way it'll actually help cut through like little branches or anything, probably up to about that thick or that big around. Nice little thing to have, like I said. Um, Fits in your pocket, very lightweight, does an awesome job, which I can't wait to actually go out and use this, especially when I'm out camping and needing firewood. And last but not least is this little thing, which I'll take one out and show you guys. This is actually the compressed form of one of these. It is a compressed towelette. These are actually good. You can actually get them to come out when you add water to them. That way it's very nice to have. That way you don't have to worry about taking up so much room because they're compact, very easy to use. Just pop them in water. They'll actually open right up. That way you got a nice wet towelette. and that way you can actually clean up, especially any dirt or blood or anything like that. So that way it's a little bit easier for you. And of course, it did come with like a thing to it, but I took it out. So that's my little survival kit. Um, just some of your basic stuff for that. I will actually be showing you another nice little multi-tool, which very nice gift to have. It's a little axe, wrench, hammer, which the head does come off. You can actually use sockets on it or anything like that. Um, the blade on this is actually very sharp, which is incredibly good to have.
Why we keep the plastic blade or cover on it?
Yeah, that's why I do have the guard on it so I don't cut myself or sustain any more injuries. With this, I do have a knife, a screwdriver, nice little saw, another little multi-tool, along with another saw, and this is actually a filing saw, so that way you can also just smooth stuff out if need be. Plus, top does open up to use for clamps. But that is my little one of my multi tools that I do have. I do have another one. You'll probably see me use that later on, which is basically the same thing, just without the wrench and the axe to it. But other than that, it's pretty much the same exact thing, just a hammer, clamp, and everything else I just showed on for you. But that's it for my multi tools and my little survival kit. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'll have more coming for you. Stay tuned, click like, subscribe.